Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend Paul down in Tennessee. Paul, we got this Ranger RCI-2950DX6 ready to go with a tune-in alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator, high-cut filter, 46-pin Mac adapter, unlocked the clarifier, talkback mod added, digital echo board installed. This thing is ready to rock and roll. So we got your talkback switch right here. I'm going to show you. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Got her sounding all kinds of good there. We're going to start with RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug right here. There's 2 watts as requested. So roll it all the way up. There's 20. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 50 bird average. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello. 1 2 1 2. 100 watt slug in the corner. Alright, Paul, we ready to get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.